How to unblock yourself on Instagram if someone has blocked you. So hi, for today we are back again to our quick and easy video tutorial on how to unblock yourself on Instagram if someone has blocked you. All you have to do is to go to your Play Store and type in Instagram. Now if you will see an update button, you have to click on that and wait for it to be updated. As you can see, I don't have any update button, which means my Instagram application is updated. So if it's updated, we can now go to our tutorial. So all you have to do is to go to your Instagram application. So here I've actually searched an account that I want to unblock. So all you have to do is on the upper right, you will see the three dots. You click on that and click on block, and then just confirm block. Now you have blocked the person. Now to check on that, you may want to actually go to your account that you have blocked. For example, you have blocked an account, so they won't be able to actually search you. So let's search the account that I've blocked here. And as you can see, there are no accounts. That means I have been blocked by this person or by this account. Now, actually, there is no settings to how to unblock yourself on Instagram if someone has blocked you. But if you really want to communicate to that person, then I recommend you to actually have another account, a spare account, then add the two accounts, the account that blocked you and the account that is blocked. And basically you could create a conversation to them, or you could connect to that person. For example, they might have blocked you accidentally, so you might want to chat them and say, I think you have blocked me. And basically that is how you unblock yourself on Instagram. So that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.